How to enable T-Mobile international data roaming. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick walkthrough for you to be able to enable your international data roaming by using T-Mobile. Now first things first is you have to fully understand on the current plans that you're using because this is a big factor. So make sure to log in into your T-Mobile account from here and then go ahead and check the description of the plan you're in to see if you're currently subscribed to that feature of enabling international data roaming. Enabling it is very simple. All I have to do is to access your phone settings, and then from here use the magnifying glass and simply type in roaming, and then it is usually located about phone on your device. So as you can see, this option here that says roaming is not currently available because I have not inserted any SIM card from my device. But if you have one of this feature that you are currently subscribed into T-Mobile, this is where you can enable it. And that is how you enable T-Mobile international data roaming.